Hello everyone. For today's topic, I will be discussing about correlation analysis. In this video, we're going to determine if there is a relationship between the two given variables. And then the process or procedure describing those variables is called correlation analysis. And meron tayong two clarification of data. First is the univariate data, which involves a single variable only, while the bivariate data is the data which involves the two variables. So, ito ngayon yung i-discuss natin. We need to analyze if meron bang effect yung isang variable to another variable. Okay? Then the relationship between the two variables can describe by constructing a scatter plot. It is a graphical representation of the relationship between the two variables. Okay, the relationship between two variables is described in terms of strength and direction. Okay, types of correlation according to direction. So, in terms of direction, the relationship between the two variables may be positive, negative, or zero. The trend line is the line that the points on the scatter plot tend to follow. So, sa pag-construct natin ng scatter plot, meron tayong mapapansin na pattern. So, yung mga points pwede siyang pataas. So, pwede rin naman pababa or pakalat lang siya. Okay, so yung first type of correlation is the positive correlation. It exists if high values in one variable are associated with high values in another variable. So dito, ibig sabihin, kapag mataas yung unang variable, okay, so yung pangalawang variable niya is mataas din. O kaya naman, pag mababa yung isang variable, then yung another variable is mababa din. Okay, so if a positive correlation exists, then the points on the scatter plot closely follow a straight line slanting up to the right. Okay, so kung mapapansin, yung points is rising to the right, meaning it's positive correlation. Okay? Then next, negative correlation. A negative correlation exists if high values in one variable are associated with low values in another variable. So, dito naman, kapag mababa yung unang variable, okay, so yung pangalawang variable niya dapat mataas. Okay? O kaya naman, kung mataas yung isang variable, then yung isang variable naman ay mababa. Okay, so if a negative correlation exists, then the points on the scatter plot closely follows a straight line slanting down to the right. So yung line naman niya diyan, okay? Pababa siya doon sa right side ng ating scatter plot. Okay? So next, the zero correlation. Okay, so zero correlation exists when high values in one variable are associated to either high or low values in another variable. Ibig sabihin, there is no relationship between those two variables. So, kapag mataas yung isang value, so, pwede yung isang value niya is pwede mataas or mababa. Okay? Then, dun sa kanyang scatter plot, so, kung mapapansin, wala siyang sinusundan na line. So, wala kang mabubuong straight line dyan. Okay. Okay, so types of correlation according to strength. Okay, so the relationship between the two variables may be perfect, very high, high, moderately high, low, negligible, or zero. So, ito, i-discuss natin yan sa ating next topic. Okay. So, mag-focus lang muna tayo dun sa direction. Okay, now let's have an example. Okay, so a company with 6 branches provides free coffee to their employees. The manager is interested to find out if there is a relationship between the number of cups of coffee provided and the number of employees in the offices. The table shows the data needed. Determine if there is a relationship between the number of employees and the number of cups of coffee. Okay, so dito sa table, andyan na yung ating given data. Okay, so yung number of employees, that is our X. Then the number of cups, that's our Y. Okay, so dun sa first branch daw, okay, so meron silang 11 employees. Then yung number of cups is 18. Then second, 13 employees with 36 cups. Then 15 employees with 40 cups. Then 18 employees with 50 cups. Then 21 employees with 58 cups. Then 24 employees with 74 cups. So para ma-determine natin kung meron bang relationship between these two variable. Okay, so yung first step is to construct the scatter plot using the given data. Okay, so sinulat ko na dyan yung given data. Okay, so I'm sure na alam nyo na kung paano mag-plot ng points sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay? So, kapag pinlot natin yung given data, ganito yung magiging itsura. So, for example, okay, so yung first data given, which is the 11 employees with 18 cups, okay, si X, nasa horizontal axis yan. Then, si Y, nasa vertical axis. Ayan. Okay, so yung first is 11 with 18 cups. So, 18, assume natin na nandito yan. So, yung first point, so ito yun. Then next, yung 13 employees with 36 cups. Okay, so yung 13, hanapin ulit dito sa ating horizontal axis. Okay, so assume natin na nandito si 13 with 36 cups. So, 36, so yan. Yan. Then the rest, i-plot lang din dun sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay, so mabubuo natin itong scatter plot na to. Okay, so second step is to determine the direction of the correlation. Okay, so you can notice that the points on the scatter plot is closely follow a straight line slanting up to the right. So, pataas siya. Okay, so ibig sabihin, okay, so it can be seen from the scatter plot that the direction of the points is rising to the right. So, pataas siya doon sa kanan. This suggests that the data has a positive correlation. Okay, so meaning, habang pag mataas daw yung number of employees, mataas din yung number of cups. Okay, so ganun lang.